sticking with it, right? So I had this trader. Started out the month real strong here. First day, $117. Day two, $275. But then, got a little confident. We had some conversation. They were like, oh, I think I got it. And I tried to let them know that, you know, you may think you have it until you don't because the market is very tricky. Very next week, we ran into some situations here. Had to talk them off of a ledge. We got things tightened up. And then, the end of that next week, got back in the green. But this right here almost had him just wanting to quit and give up, right? So we talked about some things, some changes to his trading strategy, some changes to the risk mitigation, and really talk through what are you doing, how are you entering trades, what is your size of your trades, what is your risk to reward, what do your stop losses look like, and really dug down to the technicals that are utilizing the trade, but also the mental aspect of it, because I had to calm them down, get them out of this anxiety that was right here, right? Had to revert back and say, you're capable of doing this because we saw it here at these other points. Let's tweak some things and let's stick to some rules. One thing I always say is that we have to follow our rules. The market does not have to, right? So got them back on the rules. And I got to say, how proud I am of this individual. They stuck with it and then just went on a freaking tear here as far as green days and really being disciplined, letting the runners run, cutting the losses so quicker, right? Got a little bit off track again the day before the end of the day of trading right here. Took a bigger loss than I would expect them to, or what I would have, actually recommended for them. So tweak that again. Cut your losses, make sure they're tight, and we ended out the month very green. But this isn't the story here. The story is here because we had way more green days than we had red days, and right, a little tweak here. If we didn't lose this, and this looked like our losses of the 40s and 50s, right, we're well ahead on the month here, and so we're going to focus on that for February. But the big thing here is that this individual was able to actually come out of the entire month green. And this is what we want to focus on, right? You see a lot of people that will just post a win or two, and that's cool. You can post a win or two, but we want to post green months. We want green weeks. We want green years. That's what I want my traders in New Wall Street. And so you can see here, once we fix this, right, even with this win rate of 63%, because you don't have to be, super high win percentage to be profitable. Even with this, we closed the month out, this trader, almost $1,100. That's amazing for a trader, right? And then once we tweak some things, if we would have cut that 400 loss, that would have been a $1,400, $1,500 month. So that's what we're going to focus on for this individual next month. Let's get it to 1,500, then a month after that 2,000, and we're going to keep scaling up here. So that's what we teach at New Wall Street. If you want to learn more, there'll definitely be a link down a flash across the screen. And it's all about just, if you follow the rules and you follow our prescriptive way of doing things, you're going to be okay. Our goal is to make sure that everyone that touches our group and our Discord becomes a profitable trader. And we take the time to learn about what are some of the things that are stumbling blocks, and we help you tweak those to make sure that you get to this level.